body odor, causes of body odor, treatment of body odor, and prevention of body odor. If you don't have body odor, please don't rejoice yet, because if you don't take your time, you may have body odor. Okay, so for those that have the habit of skipping videos, this one is not a one you should skip, because every part of this video will be very important, every part. So the part you skip may actually be the one that you need. Apart from this part now that I'm going to be saying, it's not actually important, but maybe you should listen to it. Please like my please, if this is your first time, subscribe, follow me, and put on your notification button so that you can get videos from me. My name is Nurse Merit, and I'm a nephrology nurse. So the part that is on serious has stopped, so please don't fast forward again. Now, how to treat body odor. Before we talk about how to treat body odor, you need to know why body odor happens, so that you will know the treatment and prevention. That is what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, body odor happens when you sweat, when the sweat that is on your skin mixes with the bacteria that is on your skin. Now, this bacteria, your sweat mixes with the bacteria, and also mixes with the salt, and also mixes with the fat that is in your skin. These, when they mix together, they produce an odor. Now, this odor may be, may not have a smell at all. It may have a bad smell, or it may have a good smell. It now depends. So it now depends on these factors that I'm going to be mentioning. If you're having body odor, if the bacteria, is good. Okay, so let's get to, now that you know the causes of body odor, we are going to be now that you know what body odor is, let's come to the causes. It is very important to note that body odor doesn't happen because you just sweat. It happens because of these things when this sweat mixes with the bacteria on your skin. So you need to reduce the level of the bacteria that is on your skin. Okay, so that is number one causes. Number one cause of body odor is sweating. Okay, having explained this, no need to say it again. Now, it's very important to note that most people can sweat more than others. Most people have this condition where they sweat excessively, and this is not normal. Okay, they sweat excessively even in places that they are not supposed to sweat. They sweat in between their anus, people that sweat under their armpits. Some people sweat excessively when they are not supposed to sweat excessively. This condition is called hyperhidrosis. Okay, this is a condition when somebody sweats excessively. Okay, so maybe that will be on another video. Number one, excessive sweating. Now, the second thing that causes body odor is high sulfur food. Now, sulfur, eating food that I'm going to explain those food, don't worry. Eating food that has high sulfur has this sweat, because when your body, your body is a part of excretory organ. So your sweat, the things you eat, also your sweat, your urine, heat comes off of your body. The end product is sulfur, and sulfur has this rotten egg smell when it comes off from the skin. Okay, so you can imagine when you have body odor, this thing can trigger body odor. Now, the food that are high in sulfur are, number one, onions, eggs. Which other food do we have? Cabbage, cauliflower. There are some other foods too that can trigger body odor that are also high in sulfur, like caffeine, taking alcohol. You can imagine taking alcohol, so be careful. Caffeine found in coffee, in Coke, and all of those things. Maybe you can take decaffeinated drinks if you're having body odor. MSG, okay, this thing means is found in seasoning cubes. For instance, Maggi in Nigeria. Okay, this thing, I have a video on Maggi, if you should take it or not, what you should know when taking Maggi. So watch that video here, or look at the video here on my YouTube. Okay, so taking curry, spices like curry, red meat. Curry, you can reduce it. I'm not asking you to stop. Red meat, okay, please be aware of this. Now, the number 3 causes of body odor is some infections. Okay, most people that have infection, of course, infection smells bad. So if you have infection and you leave it untreated, somebody will be staying somewhere close to you perceiving odor. Infection, I mean sexually transmitted infection. So treat yourself. If you're finding it difficult to treat infection, I have a video on how to treat sexually transmitted infection, and also a video on how to treat sexually transmitted infection so they don't come back. Please locate that video and treat it. Okay. And also, please, if you're having yeast infection, okay, how to treat yeast infection, please, I have somebody on Instagram you should contact. On WhatsApp you should contact. I'm putting their number. Just contact them, tell them you're from Nurse Merit. They'll give you a discount. They'll give you things for recurring infection, okay, boric acid and some vaginal feminine wash the vulva, how to care for your vagina and how to wash your vulva. They will give you things for this, okay, feminine wash, okay. And so please, before you get those things, make sure you watch yeast infection here on my YouTube page. It's the same thing as candidiasis, so that you watch the things to do so that they don't reoccur, okay. So another cause of body odor, there are some medications that medical conditions, I beg your pardon, that can make you have body odor. For instance, diabetes, okay. When you have ketones, let me just mention them: diabetes, kidney disease, infection, like I said, menopause. If your menopause, your hormones changes, okay. I forgot to mention, very important, hormonal imbalance. There are times in your when your hormones changes, you can sweat excessively, okay. Menopause also, please be aware of this. I'm not going to explain them so that we will not have time. People that have kidney issues, most of the times they smell, their skin or their tongue, their mouth smells because of excess urea and creatinine. Let me not just dwell there, okay. So hormonal changes, some people during their menses, they smell because of the menstrual cycle, okay. The blood and all of those things during ovulation, not that they smell, but smell, these are things that can trigger. So you see, you need to be overly very sensitive when during your menstruation, so that you bathe frequently and take care of yourself frequently, okay. So having said about this, for instance, also exercises. During exercise, you sweat a lot. This can increase heat production, and then you need to be aware. Now, having said about this, let us go to how to treat body odor, cure for body odor, and also prevention. They will be together. So if you don't have body odor yet, please listen attentively, because I'll put both prevention and treatment. Bathe at least twice in a day. Please don't rush. Don't rush. Why are you rushing? Don't rush. When you enter that bathroom, take your time and bathe. In between your thighs, wash it, scrub it, okay. Scrub it. Your armpits, scrub it. Now, very important, if you sweat a lot, okay, and also for people that, because you're having this body odor because of the sweat, because most people that have body odor, they sweat excessively, what you're going to do is this: use lemon, okay. Put lemon in water, okay, and scrub it. Cut lemon, scrub between your thighs, okay. It reduces the bacteria on your skin and it reduces your sweating time, okay. You can use lemon to do twice in a week, not every time, or 3 times in a week. Use lemon to scrub your armpit. You can also use green tea. After soaking green tea, you use this thing to, it also reduces the way you sweat and the bacteria that comes from there, okay. Baking soda, please make a paste of baking soda and water. Buy baking soda, put water, make a paste, rub it there, allow it for like 5 minutes, okay. Then you wash up. This reduces the body odor smelling, reduces you from sweating a lot in those areas. Now, also, you can just bring lemon juice, put lemon juice in water and rub in those areas. The other one I said, bring lemon, cut the lemon and scrub with this thing. But you can actually also bring lemon juice, mix it with water, rub it, hold on for 5-10 minutes, then you wash it off. This will really help you. Now, you can use the deodorant you will use is not those one that has ball in them or like gel. Use, those transparent, those one that you spray. Okay, for instance, right guard, okay, use it and spray it generously. Make sure you shave all the time. Don't allow hair to grow there. If hair grows, it gives more room for sweating, and all these things I tell you will not work, because hair will give room more for sweating, and then this sweat will interact with the bacteria in your skin, and infection easily occurs. Bacteria easily or react with the sweat and body odor very easy. So make sure you don't sweat at all. You don't, there's no hair, shave it off, please. This will really help you. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to do is this food I mentioned earlier. Please reduce the way you eat them. Stop it. Okay, very important. If you're bleaching your skin, I forgot to mention, bleaching can cause body odor because they kill the normal flora in your skin and make you sweat more, and a lot of things. Please stop bleaching. Okay, stop bleaching. Okay, so if you have infection, try to treat yourself. And bleaching can cause liver failure and kidney failure. I hope you know this. I've made a video. If you're still using Bath A, if you're still using Skinel, all those steroid creams, go and locate the video on my YouTube page here. You will marvel. Stop bleaching your skin. This will increase your body odor. It will even cause body odor for you if you are having body odor. Now, if you sweat so much, these things I tell you will help you, then still find out. You can go visit a doctor if you have that condition I mentioned earlier. Now, the next one is, please, when you exercise, immediately you exercise, don't go to supermarkets, don't go anywhere to do other things, don't cook before you bathe. As you exercise, bathe immediately. Do not give room for those sweats to interact with the microorganism, with the the things I told you that is on our skin, so that it will now cause body odor. If it interacts, the microorganisms in your skin interacts with your sweat and your fats, and the salts in your sweat. You know what it means. I've already. So now try to wear loose clothes, not all the time tight clothes, especially your bra. Try to wear bra. If you wear bra, let it be a little bit loose. Don't tighten it so much. Your pants, let it be, if for women, let it be cotton. G-strings, you can buy cotton too, okay? But let everything be cotton. Let your pants be different from your normal, from your period panties. For men, please stop wearing tight pants. Wear boxers. Stop wearing tight pants, please. I beg you, stop it. It's not good for you, even for your reproductive health. If you're having low sperm count, watery sperm leakage, and all of those things, I have a video here. Please make sure you watch it. Okay, the next one is try as much as you can to brush your teeth twice in a day. Take absolute recognizance of your tongue. Brush your tongue very well. Your tongue is very important. Brush it very well. 2 times in a day. This will help you. There are some medication that can be given to you if you're having high sweat. This is why you should meet a doctor. Most of them are botulinum toxin. Okay, it temporarily blocks sweat. If you have that condition I mentioned that makes you sweat so much, loose clothes. Okay, then under there, for men and women, please trim. Stop leaving hairs. Hairs gives room for more bacteria and makes your sweat become smelly. Start shaving. Down there you can trim, but make sure that you trim in a way that your skin can be seen. Let small hairs at least be able to help you protect yourself. For those that don't like skin, okay, please stop keeping hairs. Anybody that telling you that shaving is not good is a lie from the pit of hell. Please shave. This will really, really help you. Okay, so I think that is all about it for body odor. Please, when you try this, very important, take supplements. Try to build your immune system. Vitamin C supplements if you're taking it, but make sure you take a lot of water. Okay, vitamin C, I've made a video on how it causes kidney stone, in the causes of kidney stone if you don't take lots of water, and what to do. Kidney stone video, how to remove it, causes, is here also on my YouTube page. Very important. Please, your soap, try to put use antibacterial for your soap, okay, on your soap. For men, for women, you can actually put Dettol or any antiseptic in your water, you know, to help kill off all of these things. Some antibacterial reduces the skin bacteria. To antibiotics reduces the skin bacteria depending on what's going on with you. So I hope this will help you have a good sleep. You know, shower as more often as you can. You shower as long as, so that it will reduce this heat from having in contact with your the bacteria on your skin. Everybody has this bacteria. Everybody is on the skin. Okay, so please like this video, share, let me know if you have more questions, and follow me. Make sure to subscribe. I have more interesting videos. Okay, and have a lovely day. I hope this video helped. Tell me how you feel on the comment section.